Hello everyone, welcome to the class of Pharmaceutical Engineering. Myself Janhavi Pravin Bandal from Delonix Society's Baramati College of Pharmacy, Barhanpur, Baramati. Today I am going to explain the topic drum dryer, which comes under the drying equipment under the guidance of Professor Shri Krishna Bavkar sir. Points to be covered: introduction, principle, figure, construction, working, uses, advantages and disadvantages. Learning outcomes. After completion of this topic, students should be able to explain the working principle of drum dryer, use of drum dryer in both chemical and food industries. Let's start the introduction. Drum dryer is also called as roller dryer or film drum dryer. Mode of operation and heat supply is continuous. It means material is continuously fed to the dryer and dry material is continuously discharged, and also heat is continuously supplied through the wall of dryer. Single drum dryer, double drum dryer, vacuum drum dryer are the three types of drum dryer. Drum dryer is a type of heat equipment which is used for the solution and suspension purpose. When the solution and suspension is dried, this type of equipment is used. This is a short intro regarding the drum dryer. Let's see the principle. In drum dryer, heated hollow metal drum rotates on its longitudinal axis. The drum is rotated on its longitudinal axis. Drum is dipped in the solution to be dried. The part of drum dip into the solution to be dried which is fed into the drum. Solution is carried as a film on the surface of dryer and dried to form a layer. It means liquid in the feed pan form a thin layer on the surface of drum. When drum is rotating, suitable knives scrape the dried material. Here is a diagram of single drum dryer. In a single drum dryer, one drum is used to dry material. Spreader forms the uniform layer of the material over the drum. Spreader is placed on opposite side of the doctor knife. Hot gas inside the drum forms the dried film. In single drum dryer, a hollow metal drum rotates on its longitudinal axis and it is partially dipped into the feed pan. In feed pan consists the liquid which to be dried. The spreader forms a uniform layer on the surface of drum, and this uniform layer formed by the spreader, when it is dry, it removed by the doctor knives. Then double drum dryer. It is also called as dual drum, suitable for handling liquid or pesticides. Extra capacity is provided. Used for the product with low medium viscosity. In double drum dryer, it contains dual drums. When we use double drum dryer, extra capacity is provided. In this system, product is fed into the pool between two drums. These two drums always turn in opposite direction. The space between the drum can set accurately so that desired film layer we obtain. In double drum dryer, the product is fed between these two drums, and these two drums continuously rotate in opposite direction. And in that small space, we obtain desired film layer accurately. Then vacuum drum dryer. It operates under the vacuum. Allow product to dry at low temperature, provide higher capacity and less product loss, used for the drugs susceptible to oxidation and recover solvent. Then see construction. The unit is constructed from iron and stainless steel. The material which is used for the construction of drum dryer is iron and stainless steel. It consists of horizontally mounted hollow steel drum of 0.6 to 3 meters in diameter and 0.6 to 4 meter in length. तो जो हॉलो ड्रम आहे त्याची डायमीटर 0.6 to 3 मीटर आहे and in length 0.6 to 4 meter. Below the drum, feed pan is placed in such a way that drum dips partially into the feed. तो जो हॉलो ड्रम आहे असं कन्स्ट्रक्ट करतात की तो पार्शली डिप झाला पाहिजे सोल्युशनमध्ये जे फिल केले फीड पॅनमध्ये. जो एक्सटर्नल सरफेस आहे ड्रम ड्रायरचा तो स्मूथली पॉलिश होतो. On one side spreader is placed and other side doctor knife is placed. त्याचा ड्रम आहे त्याच्या एका साईडला स्प्रेडर आहे, एका साईडला डॉक्टर नाईव्स आहे. जे फीड पॅनमध्ये लिक्विड आहे ज्याचा आपल्याला ड्राय फॉर्म पाहिजे ॲज अ फायनल प्रोडक्ट, ते लिक्विड फॉर्म करतं लेअर और फिल्म ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ ड्रम विथ द हेल्प ऑफ स्प्रेडर. आणि जेव्हा ही फॉर्म झालेली लेअर ड्राय होती ती रिमूव्ह केली जाते डॉक्टर नाईफने. दिस नाईफ रिमूव्ह द ड्राय मटेरियल फ्रॉम द ड्रम आफ्टर वन फुल रिव्होल्यूशन. आणि हे नाईफ आहे ते रिमूव्ह करतं ड्राय मटेरियल ड्रमच्या सरफेसवरती आफ्टर वन फुल रोटेशन. A storage bin is placed connected to knife to collect the material. आणि हे जे ड्राय झालेलं मटेरियल स्क्रॅप करतं डॉक्टर नाईफ, ते कलेक्ट केलं जातं स्टोरेज बिनमध्ये. ही जी स्टोरेज बिन आहे ती कलेक्टेड असते डॉक्टर नाईफला टू स्टोअर द स्क्रॅप मटेरियल. वर्किंग ऑफ ड्रम ड्रायर. Steam is passed inside the drum for heat generation. Steam heating give a uniform temperature distribution over the drum surface to provide consistent product quality. Steam condenses on inside the drum. The condensate is continuously removed from the drum so that largest possible surface area remain available on inside the drum for condensation of steam. Steam पास केली जाते ड्रमच्या आतमध्ये फॉर हीट जनरेशन आणि ही जी हीट जनरेट केली आहे स्टीमने ती युनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट केली जाते ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ ड्रम टू प्रोव्हाइड कन्सिस्टंट प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी. आणि कंडेन्स झालेली स्टीम ही कंटिन्युअसली रिमूव्ह केली जाते फ्रॉम द ड्रम फॉर अवेलेबल large possible surface area because surface area of drum is directly proportional to the drying capacity. If we increase surface area of drum, drying capacity also increases. Steam system is closed, which means the product can't come in contact with the steam. ही जी सिस्टीम आहे ती क्लोज आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये प्रोडक्ट हा स्टीम और कंडेन्सेटच्या कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये येत नाही. स्टीम ही इनसाइड असते ड्रमच्या अँड द प्रोडक्ट इज आउटसाइड ऑफ द ड्रम. Heat transfer by the conduction of material. Conduction means heat energy is transmitted through collision between the neighboring atom or molecule. Drum rotate at the rate of 1 to 10 revolution per minute. In 1 minute, drum complete 1 to 10 rotation. Liquid material in feed pan adheres as a thin film or layer. जे लिक्विड आहे फीड पॅनमधलं ते थिन लेअर और फिल्म ॲपियर करतो ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ ड्रम विथ द हेल्प ऑफ स्प्रेडर. द मटेरियल ड्राय ड्युरिंग दी जर्नी इज स्लाइटली लेस दॅन 1 रोटेशन. आणि तो जो लेअर फॉर्म केला आहे स्प्रेडरच्या हेल्पनी तो ड्राय होतो ड्रमच्या रोटेशनमध्ये लेस दॅन 1 रोटेशन. ड्राय मटेरियल इज स्क्रॅप बाय डॉक्टर नाईफ कलेक्टेड इन बीन. आणि हे जे ड्राय झालेलं मटेरियल आहे स्क्रॅप केलं जातं डॉक्टर नाईफनी आणि ते स्टोअर केलं जातं बीनमध्ये. हे जे बीन आहे ते कनेक्ट असतं डॉक्टर नाईफ्सला. इट मीन्स इट वर्क ॲज drum is heated insidely and the product dry on outside of the drum. Then uses of the drum dryer. Drum dryer used to dry heavy paste, slurries, pure material, cloth, sheet of paper. Used to dry product such as starch product, ferrous salt, suspension of zinc oxide, kaolin, calcium, barium carbonate, is pigment, antibiotic, insecticidal, etc. The drum dryer used in drying of liquid, paste and sticky and highly viscous product. Drum dryer is used for drying the solution, slurries, suspension, etc. It is used under the vacuum for drying the temperature sensitive product such as vitamin, protein, yeast, pigment, malt extract, hormone and antibiotics. Then see advantages of drum dryer. Drying time is less, only for few seconds. So heat sensitive material can be dried easily. It occupies less space. It economical with cheap installation. Work with minimum energy consumption. When we use drum dryer for dry the material, the energy loss is minimum. Rate of heat transfer and mass transfer is high. The product obtained is completely dry and it is a final product. The product scrapped by the doctor knife and collected in bin is used as a final product. Disadvantage of the drum dryer. Maintenance cost is higher. It is not suitable for solution of salt with less solubility. Skilled operators are essential to control process such as for control the feed rate, film thickness, speed of rotation and temperature. Thank you.